Hello everyone, I am Sainath. Today we are discuss the topic about intelligent agent. Before we enter into the topic, firstly we get to know what is agent, what agent will do. Like what agent will do means it will simply gather the information from the environment and it will act to the environment according to the information which it was gathered that was related to their goal to achieve their goal. That is the main aim of agent. Agent will work like that only. Okay. So whenever we are speaking into the agent, there are two main things come into the picture. One is performance measure and second is to be sensor and actuators. Performance measure. What is my performance measure? What performance measure will do means it will simply measure like how our agent will achieve their goal. How much level our agent to reach or to achieve their goal. Like that is the thing performance measure will do. And next we will come into the sensor and actuators. What sensor and actuators will do means sensor sensor is simply gather the information from the environment, okay, and actuators it will give the response to the environment from the agent, okay. That is the use of sensor and actuators, okay. Now we will come into the what is intelligent agent. What intelligent agent will do? What intelligent agent will do means intelligent agent simply take the information from the environment through sensors and it will act the environment by through the actuators, okay. This is the main work which was done by the intelligent agent. Next we will come into the concept of what is rationality agent or what is rational agent, okay. Whenever we are speaking into a rational agent, the main goal of the rational agent is to be and to give the optimal way to achieve our goal. That is the main aim of the rational agent, okay. What it will do means like it has some previous knowledge or previous experience, okay, for that problem, okay. Or whatever the information it is gathered, whether the information is incomplete or complete, it will give the optimal decision, because it will not consider about like whether the data is incomplete or complete. It will simply make the decision according to its previous knowledge, so it will give the better experience. Yeah, this is all about the rational agent. Next we will come into the topic of the nature of environment. Like our agent can act in various environment. For example, fully and partially observable environment, and static and dynamic environment, and deterministic and stochastic environment, and also like it will also act on discrete and continuous environment. Like first we will come into the topic of how our agent will act in fully and partially observable environment. Like in fully observable environment, the agent will gather complete complete information which is necessary to achieve their goal. It will take the complete necessary information from the environment. But in partially observable environment, our agent will not take complete information. It will take incomplete data from the environment. According to the data, it will make a decision. It will act accordingly, okay. Next we will come into the topic of deterministic and stochastic environment. Like how our agent will act like in deterministic and stochastic environment. What it will do means in deterministic environment, like our agent will give the output. It is to be very predictive in nature. Like what the outcome we expect, like it will give the more or similar to that outcome. So we can conclude that like our outcome will be, that means, predictable. Whenever we are coming into the stochastic environment, in the stochastic environment the outcome is not predictive. The outcome which was get in the stochastic environment is to be uncertain, okay. It is not predictive and it is not certain outcome. It is uncertain, okay. Next we will come into the topic of static and dynamic. Then how our agent will act in static environment. In the static environment, like our environment is cannot change when the agent acts. It remains constant, okay. But whenever we are speaking about the dynamic environment, in the dynamic environment, our environment will be changed according to the time. With respect to time, our environment will be changed. For example, stock market trading, it is changing from each and every time. So it is not constant like when the environment will act. It is changing, okay. That is this is how like our agent will act to the static and dynamic environment, okay. Next, we will come into the topic of discrete and continuous environment. How our agent will act in discrete and continuous environment. Like in discrete environment, what our agent will act means, like in this, like that actions and states, our agent is to be somewhat finite. Whatever the action, whatever the state it is taken from the environment, it should be finite. It is not infinite. But whenever we are speaking about the continuous environment, that like it is vary, like the actions and states will be vary, the action and state of environment will be vary. Okay, so that is all about uh, discrete and continuous environment. Okay, this is a brief discussion about like how our agent will act in various environment. Okay, next we will come into the what are the different types of agent is there in AI. There are mainly four different types of agent is there, like simple reflex agent and model based reflex agent, and next is goal based reflex agent, and final is to be utility based reflex agent. Now we will discuss one by one. Okay, firstly, what is simple reflex agent? What simple reflex agent will do means, like it will work based on the predefined rules. Like in the simple reflex agent, like it has already set by predefined rules. So according to the rules, so it will act this agent will act to the environment. Okay, whatever the rules, whatever the predefined rules is already present in this agent, it will act accordingly. Okay, this is all about simple reflex agent. And this simple reflex agent, it is a basic agent. Okay, whenever we are thinking into the AA, it is somewhat basic agent. Okay, next we will come into the model based agent. It is some more advancement compared to the simple reflex agent. Like in this, like what it will do means, it will simply the main aim of this means, it will give the somewhat optimal approach. Okay, and also like it is also giving us to take to making a decision. That much capability is there. Okay, so according to the information, like it will make the somewhat good decision. So that is all about that model based reflex agent. Sorry, that is model based agent. Okay, next we will come into the goal based agent. Like in this, like what our agent, what the main aim of our agent is, the main aim of our agent is to be the action which was chosen by the agent, it should be optimal to achieve their goals. That is the main aim of this goal based agent. Anyhow, like it is reach their goal. Okay, that is the main description about goal based agent. Okay, next we will come into the topic of utility based agent. Like in this utility based agent, instead of considering in like what we did in goal based agent, it will mainly focus to reach the goal. That is the main aim of the goal based agent. But in the utility based agent, in addition to consider the goal, it is also consider the how the agent will satisfy. That means it will also consider the satisfaction of achieving those goals. Okay, in addition to reaching the goal, it is giving somewhat optimally how much we can satisfy by this way to achieve this goal. It is also consider that. That is all about utility based agent. Yeah, this is all about our intelligent agent. Yeah, thank you. Bye bye.